What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy Gene over here, back at it with another video. It is a good ass Monday. Little chilly out, but the sun is out. It's beautiful, and we gonna ride. We are going to ride. Brake. I am on the way to the gym now. About to hit chest with one of my co-workers, and yeah. Don't really have anything planned today. Just going to enjoy this workout. Gonna be hitting some chest. Chest is one of my favorite days, so nothing like hitting chest, your favorite movement, riding your bike there. I'm listening to house music in my helmet now, dude. Ooh, I get jamming, baby. Pissed me off today. So I'm at work and like I get a notification and it's from a bill, of course, and I'm charged $95 from my old internet bill from Xfinity, and I had already called to cut them off, yet they charged me for this month's payment, which is bogus, and they need to address that. Not paying $95. It's ridiculous. absolutely ridiculous. So thankfully my hand is like cramping up, man. Thankfully Xfinity is right across from my gym, actually, so I'm gonna go there and see if they can reimburse me, because that's just stupid. I've already canceled my freaking internet bill and they charged me for this month, so $95, I'm gonna need that back. I'm gonna need that back for sure. Woo! I'm gonna need that back. I'm gonna need that back. 95, bro. That's the bike parts. I need that. I gotta do an oil change this month or so. I gotta get an oil change. I still need to buy my reindeer ears. My new, I want to change this black fairing out and get a clear one. I hate this. I mean, well, I don't hate it. It looks good for aesthetics, but like you just can't see out of it, so it's dumb. What's the point of having the windscreen? I guess if you don't go full tuck, it's not needed, but I go full tuck. I don't want to take up this parking space. Usually I park right there, so let me move real quick, because this is a handicap. Let me do the old, oh, okay. How do they do this? There we go. You know what, that works pretty good. Normally I don't do that, because I don't know, I just feel weird like moving my kickstand like that. Finished with my chest day, and we are heading to the store. I need to go get some items. Well, I guess not. I guess I'm gonna go home. I forgot I needed some stuff for my pre-workout. Like, I'll put like lemon juice or organic lemon juice inside of my I'll mix that with water and creatine and try to make like an organic type of pre-workout deal, and it's been working pretty good. Lemon for the electrolytes and stuff, and then I got creatine for pump, water for pump, and then I crack a little sea salt in there, or not sea salt, Himalayan salt. Just had a wonderful, kind old man greet me and say good morning. He said I had a beautiful bike. Very kind, the young old man, or young man. So that was the highlight of my day. You know, I was thinking about this morning. Like, people like don't really talk to each other, like, you know, that much these days. Like, even when going to the store and ordering stuff, like, people barely say thank you, or, you know, I mean, it's so, in a world where people are so self-centered, you know, and only think about themselves. Like, it's refreshing to have just like that normal human connection with just like a random person, your fellow human. It's nice, feels good. feels good. This also feels good. Also feels good. Yes, good, feels good. It was German. Nice, strong German accent. I don't know why I did a Russian. Don't slip it out. I don't know why I did a French accent for his German accent, but he was a nice guy. And this is actually the car in front of me. I said he had a beautiful car as well. The car in front of me is what he had. Sheesh. My supplements coming in today. I feel good today, man. I feel good. I feel good. I got one more day to my day off, and yeah, it feels good. It's a beautiful day. I'm on a beautiful bike. Just having a great day. Might be his brake, his trailer brake. So I need to get over. Turn my music on. This is unfortunate. All 3 lanes blocked. Let me over, please. Thank you. is wheeling right now, but I can't, because I can't wheelie. I'll wreck this baby.